If your window glazing compound is cracking or missing, you've got to fix it fast to keep your windows sealed and looking good. So first step is to get rid of all the old glazing compound that's cracked or falling apart. Use a putty knife or a scraper to carefully remove it without damaging the glass or the frame. Next, clean off any leftover dirt, dust, or old paint so the new stuff sticks well. Then, grab some fresh glazing compound. This is that putty-like material you press around the window pane edges. Roll it into a little snake shape with your hands, then press it firmly into the gap between the glass and frame. Use a putty knife to smooth it out at a slight angle so water runs off instead of pooling. Let it dry for at least a week before painting over it to protect it from weather and give it a nice finished look. If you rush the drying or painting process, you'll end up with cracks again or peeling paint. Also, try to work when it's not super cold or wet outside because that messes with how the compound sets up. By following these simple steps, you'll keep your windows sealed tight and looking sharp for years. One of the most common issues with window glazing compound is removing the old compound too aggressively, which can crack the glass or damage the frame. Fix this by taking your time and using gentle tools like a plastic scraper. Another big mistake is not cleaning the surface well before applying new compound. Dust and grime prevent proper adhesion, so make sure to wipe down the frame and glass thoroughly. Lastly, people often skip painting over the new glazing compound or paint too soon, leading to cracks and weather damage. Always wait at least 7 days for it to fully dry before painting, and choose a good quality exterior paint. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding reliable help. For contractors, it's a solid way to get steady work from people in your area who actually need your skills.